Alright, here again we are going to find the volume. We're going to round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So here we have a 3D figure, and the base is a 5-sided regular pentagon. So this problem is a little bit tricky. So remember that the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. So in order to find the volume of this 3D figure, we need to first find the area of the base. If you look here, our base is a 5-sided regular pentagon. The regular part means that all of the sides are congruent. And we know that they're all congruent because we can look at the base here at the top. Each side is 8 centimeters. So each side of the pentagon is 8 centimeters. So the area of a pentagon, it actually has kind of a weird formula. So area of a pentagon, I'm actually just going to write out pentagon here so we know what we're talking about, is equal to P times A over 2, where P is the perimeter and A is the apothem. So that is a completely new vocabulary word. I have a definition down here. It is the line from the center of the pentagon, so this circle here shows the center of the pentagon, that intersects the side at a right angle. So here, our value for that A in our formula up there is 5.5. To find the perimeter, we need to take all of our sides and add them up. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So we're adding up 8 5 times, which could also just be 8 times 5, which we know is 40. So the area is equal to 40 times 5.5, because that's our A value, divided by 2. So the area of the pentagon, we're going to take this and put it in our calculator now. I'm going to do 40 times 5.5 first, and then I'm going to take that answer and divide it by 2. Let's get 110 centimeters squared for our area of the pentagon. Now that we have that area, we can take it and substitute it into our volume formula. So, volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. Well, we know now that the area of the base is 110 centimeters squared, so we're going to take that 110 and put it in for the capital B, times the height. We need to figure out what is the height of this prism here. So when we look at our picture, we can see that, hey, these sides here are squares. If one side is 8, the other side is 8. So our height here is 8. So we're going to do 110 times 8 to get that the volume is, again, if you're not sure what that is, do it on your calculator. 110 times 8 is 880 centimeters cubed. Because remember, volume has cubic units. And that is our final answer. Oops.